Welcome, relax your mind, slow your breathing, and allow yourself to enjoy this deep skincare cleansing session. Today's treatment focuses on gentle blackhead removal, deep pore cleansing, and overall skin purification. This is a gentle, slow, and calming deep cleansing routine designed to help reduce acne, loosen blackheads, and leave the skin feeling fresh, clean, and balanced. Step 1. Prepare your skin. Begin by washing your hands thoroughly. Clean hands prevent bacteria from transferring to your face. Tie your hair back gently, expose the full face, let your skin breathe, take one deep breath in, and slowly breathe out. Step 2. Gentle pre-cleanse, oil or micellar water. Apply a small amount of cleansing oil or micellar water onto dry skin. Using soft circular motions, massage the forehead, move down to the cheeks, gently glide over the nose, lightly sweep the chin and jawline. This step helps dissolve excess oil, sunscreen residue, makeup, surface dirt. Keep movements slow and rhythmic. Massage for 60 to 90 seconds. Step 3. Warm towel relaxation. Soak a clean towel in warm, not hot, water, wring it out gently, place it over your face, close your eyes, feel the warmth opening your pores, let tension melt away, hold for 1 to 2 minutes. This prepares the skin for deeper cleansing. Step 4. Water-based cleanser, deep clean. Apply a gentle foaming or gel cleanser. Use your fingertips only, no harsh tools. Massage slowly upward on the cheeks, small circles on the nose, feather-light touches on acne areas. Avoid aggressive rubbing. Cleanse for 60 seconds. Rinse with lukewarm water, pat dry softly with a towel. Step 5. Steam therapy, optional but effective. Steam helps loosen blackheads and trapped oil. Lean over a bowl of warm steam, cover your head loosely with a towel, close your eyes, breathe slowly, steam for 5 to 7 minutes only. Warning sign # skip this step if you have sensitive skin, rosacea, active inflammation. Step 6. Gentle exfoliation, blackhead focus. Use a mild exfoliant, chemical or very soft physical. Apply mainly to nose, chin, T-zone, massage gently, tiny circles, very light pressure, never scrub hard. Exfoliate for 30 to 40 seconds, rinse thoroughly. Step 7. Blackhead softening mask, clay or charcoal. Apply a thin, even layer of clay mask, charcoal mask, focus on blackhead-prone areas. Let the mask sit quietly, do not talk, do not move, allow it to dry partially, not fully cracked, wait 8 to 12 minutes, rinse gently with cool water. Step 8. Cold water pore tightening. Splash cool water on your face. This helps calm the skin, tighten pores, reduce redness, pat dry softly. Step 9. Hydrating toner, ASMR tapping style. Pour a small amount of alcohol-free toner into your palms. Press gently into the skin, tap, press, release, no rubbing. Step 10. Acne treatment, targeted only. Apply acne treatment only on active pimples. Use clean fingertip or cotton swab, lightly dab, never spread aggressively. Step 11. Calming serum. Apply a lightweight serum. Slow upward strokes, center of face outward, gentle pressure, focus on calming and hydration. Step 12. Moisturizer, seal the calm. Use a non-comedogenic moisturizer. Apply slowly, press into skin, smooth gently. Hydration is essential, even for oily or acne-prone skin. Step 13. Lip and eye care. Apply lip balm softly. Tap eye cream gently around the eyes. No pulling, no stretching. Step 14. Final relaxation moment. Close your eyes. Take 3 slow breaths in, out. Feel your skin clean, calm, balanced. Step 15. Skin check pores. Before continuing, pause for a moment. Look closely at your skin. Notice red areas, active acne, blackhead zones. This awareness helps you treat the skin gently and correctly. Step 16. Light facial mist. Spray a gentle facial mist evenly over the face. Hold the bottle at a distance. Let tiny droplets settle naturally. Do not rub. This refreshes and prepares the skin. Step 17. Fingertip relaxation massage. Using clean fingertips, lightly press the cheeks, release slowly, repeat 5 times. This improves circulation without irritating acne. Step 18. Nose-specific cleansing focus. Apply a small amount of cleanser only on the nose. Massage slowly, downward, side to side, circular motions. This helps loosen stubborn blackheads. Step 19. Chin and jawline detailing. The chin area often traps oil. Massage gently with upward strokes, never pinch or squeeze. Slow movements only. Step 20. Microsteam towel press. Use a lukewarm towel again. Press gently on nose, chin. Hold for 30 to 40 seconds. This softens clogged pores safely. Step 21. Blackhead softening gel. Apply a blackhead softening gel or essence. Let it sit quietly. No massage, no pressure. Wait 2 to 3 minutes. Step 22. Cotton pad glide. Using a damp cotton pad, glide lightly across the nose. Move outward. This removes loosened debris without damage. Step 23. Calm breathing break. Pause. Take 1 slow breath in, release slowly. ASMR moments improve relaxation and skin response. Step 21. Blackhead softening gel. Apply a blackhead softening gel or essence. Let it sit quietly, no massage, no pressure. Wait 2 to 3 minutes. Step 22. Cotton pad glide. Using a damp cotton pad, glide lightly across the nose, move outward. This removes loosened debris without damage. Step 23. Calm breathing break. Pause. Take 1 slow breath in, release slowly. ASMR moments improve relaxation and skin response. Step 24. Antibacterial toner press. Apply toner using palms. Press gently, forehead, cheeks, chin. Avoid rubbing motions. Step 25. Spot acne observation. Observe acne areas again. Do not touch, do not extract. Respect healing skin. Step 26. Ice cube wrap. Optional. Wrap ice in clean cloth. Lightly press, no sides, red acne areas. Hold 5 to 7 seconds per area. This reduces inflammation. Step 27. Pore calming serum. Apply pore calming serum. Slow strokes, center outward, gentle pressure. Let it absorb naturally. Step 28. Temple relaxation. Massage temples in small circles. Very light pressure, 10 slow rotations. This releases facial tension. Step 29. Forehead smoothing. Smooth the forehead upward with fingertips. Repeat slowly 5 times. This prevents unnecessary skin pulling. Step 30. Hydration pause. Wait 60 seconds. Allow products to sink in fully. ASMR is about patience. Step 31. Lightweight gel moisturizer. Apply a gel-based moisturizer. Press. Don't rub. Hydration balances oil production. Step 32. Acne patch application, if needed. If active pimples exist, apply acne patches. Press gently. Do not cover healthy skin. Step 33. Neck care inclusion. Apply leftover moisturizer to the neck. Upward strokes only. Neck skin needs care too. Step 34. Shoulder relaxation moment. Roll shoulders slowly backward. Relaxation helps reduce stress-related acne. Step 35. Final cold splash. Splash cool water lightly on face. Do not soak, just refresh. Step 36. Soft towel pat dry. Use a clean towel. Pat gently, no dragging. Step 37. Barrier repair cream. Optional. If skin feels sensitive, apply a thin layer. This strengthens the skin barrier. Step 38. Lip rehydration. Apply lip balm slowly. Massage lips gently with fingertip. Step 39. Eye area soothing. Tap eye cream softly around eyes. No pressure, no stretching. Step 40. Skin stillness pause. Close eyes. Stay still for 30 seconds. Let skin settle. Step 41. Oil control check. If skin feels oily, blot lightly with tissue. Never over clean. Step 42. Acne prevention reminder. Remember, clean phone screen, clean pillowcases. Avoid touching face. Consistency prevents breakouts. Step 43. Deep breathing reset. Inhale slowly, exhale longer. Stress control improves skin health. Step 44. Nighttime lock-in. PM only. If night routine, avoid heavy products. Let skin breathe. Thank you for joining this deep skincare cleansing session. Relax, breathe, and enjoy healthy skin.